Hey, how's it going? It's your boy Kelvin. Welcome to my channel. I make a large amount of content for you guys, and trust me, you don't want to miss any of it. So go ahead, smash that subscribe button. Let's get it. This is an amazing review for you guys. I'm going to be demoing the Vic Firth American Concept 7A Freestyle Drumsticks. Now these sticks, I got them right here. Fresh, brand new off the box. Even got the price tag on it. I got these for $19.49. So I'm looking at probably 20 bucks. For these sticks right here. Amazing sticks. Now I use the regular 7A sticks, which I got right here. These have been beat on, chewed on, abused, and they've never broken. Now the reason I got these sticks right here is because of the extra taper and the extra reach I get from it. Now I'm just going to read you guys what it says on the website. So let's get to it. It says, so these are freestyle sticks inspired by the sports of freestyle longboarding. So I guess skateboard, you know. The freestyle series of sticks is all about effortless flow, creativity, and style. Exaggerated taper on extra long sticks more than doubles the area where the drummer can place their fulcrum, opening up creative possibilities and unlocking the ultimate expressive drumming experience. So what that basically means is the extra taper you get in the sticks kind of frees up your hand and makes your creativity just comes natural. Now, my reason for getting these sticks is actually because I do use a drum rack on my system, and with that being said, I have my ride positioned a little bit farther away from me, and so when I use the regular 7As, like these are a bit shorter, so I'm having to extend my body upwards a little bit just to get that bell and get that bowl and be comfortable. That's the reason I got these actually, because they're just longer. So my knowledge of these is that because they're longer, I don't have to reach far, you know, to get the bell and the bowl, and I can just kind of sit back, enjoy myself, and let my arms and mind kind of lead the music and be creative. So let's get to demoing these sticks, and I'll tell you what I think about them at the end of the video. As you can see, these are the 7A freestyles. I'm not having to reach in as far. I'm just kind of more relaxed and just letting the music, you know, take me as I go, right? Alright, so what are my thoughts about these sticks? Let's start with pro number one. I love the extra reach I get from this stick. It is longer than the regular 7As, so for me, when I'm trying to reach my ride, I'm not having to stretch my body on my arms, you know, far in and dig into that cymbal. I'm just kind of more relaxed, sitting back and just enjoying myself. So I like the extra reach for sure. Pro number two, it feels just like a regular 7As. Like you would think that because it's longer, it feels a little different, but it feels about the same. So that's not a really con, more of a pro tip. So like I don't have to really adjust to using a stick. Con number one, the extra length. Man, you do feel it because these are longer than your regular 7As. Just as a comparison, you can see right here at the 7As on the top and the freestyles on the bottom. You can see the extra reach there, right? So what that means is, like when I'm really playing like a groove, for example, I feel the extra length on the back of my fulcrum right here. And so because I have my drums positioned very close to me, I have to be very careful. I guess that's the biggest con for me, is just the extra reach is great, but it does kind of get in the way with playing faster grooves, especially when you have your toms and drums positioned closer to you. Con number two is the teardrop. I'm not a big fan of teardrops, especially on cymbals. I like a very dark sound on the cymbals, a very woody tone, and I find that teardrops just sounds neutral. It doesn't really do anything for me. Now that being said, the regular 7As does have an acorn tip. I kind of like the acorn tip, but I like more of a round tip. But you know, if I had to choose between these in terms of tips, I would definitely go with the 7/8. I'm just not a big fan of the teardrop. Because these are longer, it would be better maybe in a maple wood, because you do feel the kind of weighted balance of the stick just because you have that extra reach. So it does feel like very forward heavy, and even though it's not necessarily heavy, it just gives you the illusion of feeling heavy. Whereas the regular 7/8s, I mean, they're made out of the same wood, hickory, but they're a bit shorter and just more balanced. Not really balanced, again, I gotta watch my wording here. They're just, because they're shorter, just feel like they fit better in terms of the way you grip them, the way you swing with the sticks, and just the feel you get from the sticks. Now, that being said, these are both great sticks. There really isn't a con in this situation, you know, but like, I'm just telling you what I personally feel. I like the extra reach of the 7/8 Freestyles, but you do have to be kind of careful playing with them, especially playing faster rhythms on the drums, because if you have your drums closer to you, you might be bumping into things that you don't intend on doing. That being said, guys, if you've ever tried these sticks, do let me know in the comment section what you thought about them, and you know, if you would recommend them. I'm definitely keeping this sticks because I could see the benefit, especially when it comes to my ride cymbal, just because I use a drum rack. I could see these really being something that I want to experiment with, and just kind of like baby grow to love. I don't know. But anyways, guys, that's the end of this video. If you like this video and you have any suggestions for me, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, or share the video, whichever one. Love you guys. I'm out.